Very good morning to everyone. Myself, Jiten Chicholkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Pediatric Nursing, Index Nursing College from the Malvanchal University. Today I will be discuss about the CPR. CPR is the means of cardiac pulmonary resuscitations. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation consists of mouth-to-mouth respiration and chest compression. It is been the emergency conditions of the first aid in CPR. CPR allows oxygenated blood to circulate vital organs such as the brain and heart. CPR can keep a person alive until more advanced procedures can be treated the cardiac arrest. It means such as a defibrillator and electrical shock to the chest. CPR started by the bystander double the likelihood of survival of victim of cardiac arrest. Facts about CPR. The normal facts are CPR. The sudden cardiac arrest is most leading cause of death in adults. Most arrests occur in person with underlying heart disease. CPR doubles a person's chance of survival from sudden cardiac arrest. 75% of all cardiac arrests happen in pupils at home. Cardiac arrest occur twice as frequently in men compared to women. In sudden cardiac arrest, the heart goes from a normal heartbeat to equilibrium rhythm called ventricular fibrillation. It means VF. This happens in approximately two-thirds of all cardiac arrest. VF fatal unless an electrical shock called defibrillation can be given. CPR does not stop VF, means ventricular fibrillation, but cardiopulmonary resuscitation extends the window of the time in which defibrillation can be effective. CPR provides a trickle of oxygenated blood to the brain and heart and keep this organ alive until defibrillation can shock the heart into a normal rhythm. If CPR is started within 4 minutes of the collapse and defibrillation provided within 10 minutes, a person has a 40% of chance of survival. Infant CPR. It means less than 1 year. First step is CPR in infant. Shoot and tap. Shoot and gently tap the child on the shoulder. If there is no response, position the infant on his or her back. Open the airway. Open the airway using the head tilt lifting of chin. Do not tilt the head to for back. Third, given two gentle breath. If the baby is not breathing, give two small gentle breath. Cover the baby's mouth and nose with your mouth. Each breath should be 1 second long. You should see the baby chest rise with each breath. Fourth step, give 30 compression. Give 30 gentle chest compression at the rate of 100 per minute. To use 2 or 3 fingers in the center of the chest just below the nipple. Press down approximately 1/3 the depth of the chest. Fifth, repeat. In case patient is not prognosed, then repeat with 2 breath and 30 compression. After 2 minutes of repeat cycle, call 911 and continue giving breath and compressions. An Indian ambulance number is 108. Watch, then break into a group of 2 and practice for 15 minutes. Child CPR 1 to 8 year of age. CPR for children is similar to CPR for adults. The compression to ventilation ratio is 30:2. There are, however, 3 differences. First, if you are alone, With the child, give 2 minutes of CPR before calling 108, either 911. Use the heel of one hand, us for adult for chest compression. Raise the sternum approximately one third the depth of the chest. Child CPR. First step is call. Check the victim for unresponsiveness, such as conscious, semi-conscious, या unconscious. If there is no response, call 108, either 911, and return to the victim. In most locations, the emergency dispatcher can assist you with CPR instruction. Below, tilt the head back and listen for breathing. If not breathing normally, pinch nose and cover the mouth with yours and blow until you see the chest rise. Give 2 breaths. Each breath should take 1 second. Pump. A victim is still not breathe normally, cough or moving. Begin chest compression. Push down on the chest 11 by 2, 2 inch 30 times right between the nipple. Pump at the rate of 100 breaths per minute, faster than once per second. Pushing on the chest. In general, the chest should be pushed down 11 by 2, 2 inches. Sometimes you may hear a cracking sound. Do not be alarmed. The sound is caused by cartilage or rib cracking. Even if this occurs, the damage is not serious. The risk of delaying CPR or not doing CPR is far greater than the risk of a broken rib. Child CPR. Continue with 2 breath and 30 pump until help arrives. Note, this ratio is the same for 1 person and 2 person CPR. In 2 person CPR, the person pumping the chest stop while the other give mouth to mouth artificial breathing. Child CPR. Review this information from the first slide. CPR for children is similar to CPR for adults. Every age different types of where to give on the CPR for the baby, children, infancy, preschooler, schooler, adolescents. The compression of ventilation ratio is 30:2. There are, however, three differences. If you are alone with the child, given 2 minutes of CPR before calling 108 or 911. Adult CPR. Call. Check for the victim for unresponsiveness. If there is no response, call 108, either 911, and return to the victim. In most locations, the emergency dispatcher can assist you with CPR instruction. Below, tilt the head back and listen for breathing. If not breathing normally, pinch nose and cover the mouth with your and below until you see the chest rise. Give 2 breaths. Each breath should take 1 second. Adult CPR pump. If the victim is still not breathing normally, coughing or moving, begin chest compression. Push down on the chest 11 by 2 to 2 inches 30 times. Right between the nipples. Pump at the rate of 100 beats per minute, faster than once per second. Pushing on the chest. In general, the chest should be pushed down 11 by 2 inches. Sometimes you may hear a cracking sound. Do not be alarmed. The sound is caused by cartilage or rib cracking. Even if this occurs, the damage is not serious. The risk of delaying CPR or not doing CPR is far greater than the risk of the broken ribs. Adult CPR continue with the pump, 2 breath and 30 pumps until helps arrive. The ratio is the same for one person and two-person CPR. In two-person CPR, the person pumping the chest stop while the other gives mouth to mouth breathing. Complication of cardiopulmonary resuscitations. Vomiting is the most frequently encountered complication of CPR. If the victim starts to vomit, turn the head to the side and try to sweep out for wipe of the vomit. Continue with CPR. The spread of infection from the victim to the rescuer is exceedingly rare. Most cardiac arrests occur in pupil homes. Relatives or friends will be once need to do CPR. Even CPR performed on a stranger has an exceedingly rare risk of infection. There is no documentation of HIV or AIDS ever being transmitted via CPR. Checking the pulse. The pulse check is no longer thought of expected or lay persons. Instead, if there is no response after two mouth to mouth breath begun to pump on the chest, please note that the pulse check is still expected of healthcare providers. Conscious adult choking. Step first, determine if the person can speak or cough. If not, proceed to next step. Step 2, perform an abdominal thrust. Heimlich maneuver repeatedly until the foreign body is expelled. Step 3, a chest thrust may be used for mildly obese person or in late stage of pregnancy. Conscious adult choking. If the adult or child become unresponsive, perform CPR. If you see object in the throat or mouth, remove it. Choking conscious child 1 to 8-year old. Step first, determine if the person can speak or cough. If not, proceed to the next step. Choking conscious childs 1 to 8-year old. Step 2, perform an abdominal thrust